Hello and welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Steph. Today I have a very exciting video. It's been a long time coming. I am finally trying Nomad Cosmetics and it is the beautiful Iceland Fire Ice palette. This is the outer box, which I love the detail. And on the back of there you have all the shade names in Icelandic. It comes with a personalised postcard from Iceland. How cute is that? I love the personal touches that come with indie brands, and this is fantastic. My first postcard from Iceland. And onto the palette, just look at that. It's textured and so beautiful. So you've got the ice on the outside and the fire on the inside, and just look at those shades. This just beautiful colour story. I love all the detail in this. You've got the imprints in the shadows, you've got the little elf there. He is also by the mirror on the inside and on the back. And I'm just so excited to have this in my collection and to be trying Nomad for the first time. So if you want to see how I created this look using the beautiful Iceland Fire Ice palette, then just keep on watching. So before I dip my brush in and ruin these absolutely gorgeous imprints, take a look at those. Look at that detail. How stunning is that? I have been so desperate to try Nomad for such a long time. And as soon as I saw these shades being sneak peeked, I knew I had to have it. So I have an idea of what I want to do. So firstly, I'm going to take Niflheim, this deep blue matte. Oh, I feel so bad putting my brush in the imprints. They're so pretty. And this I'm just going to be creating just the shape that I want for that. Wow, I've heard so many good things about this eyeshadow formula, and some of my friends can just absolutely rave about it, Nikki Raven being one. Nikki has done quite a few looks with this palette. She's also done a complete eye swatching video, which I will link in the description box below for you to check out if you want to see what all of the colours look like on the eyes. I'm not brave enough to try and do that. I don't think my eyes would thank me, but Nikki does it so well it doesn't need anyone else to do it anyway. So I am hoping that my idea is going to work, but we shall find out. So Nomad has been a really intriguing brand for me. It's a couple, Felicia and Auntie. I hope I said that right. And they love travelling. All of their palettes are designed on location so that they capture the spirit of the place, which I think is absolutely fantastic. So I'm not really getting any fallout at all, which, considering how dark this matte is, I'm quite surprised. So I've seen so many different looks done with this palette. I'm trying to do something a bit different, so fingers crossed it works. I am next going into Muspelheim, the gorgeous matte red. It's like a deep orangey red. And I'm using this just on the outer part here, like from about the centre of my eye. And just going along the edge of that blue there. So fingers crossed this will do what I want it to do, but we shall see. So I wanted to capture the fire and ice in the one look. So fingers crossed this will do that. Ooh, and then back in with the blue, just to blend a little bit more there. I know it's looking a little bit crazy now, but I have faith that it's going to come together. And then just dipping into Heckler, the lighter orange. Ooh, it's pretty. And I'm just kind of feathering that along the edge completely there, just to blend that out. So the next colour I'm going in with is Nude, which is this beautiful blue matte here. And Nude I'm going to use to blend this inner part out here. These shadows are just so super pigmented. It's absolutely beautiful. So just doing a little bit of blending into that. I don't want to over blend there. Oh, these colours, I cannot get over just how perfect this colour story is. Like I said, as soon as I saw the colours being sneak peeked, I knew I had to have it, because this is like my perfect colour story. Oh, look at that. So Nomad are vegan and cruelty free, which again is excellent. I only feature cruelty free brands on my channel. We like our little fairy, scaly, feathery friends. Right, so that orange, I just want to bring that back across here just slightly. Just, oh, look at that. These just blend perfectly. So I'm just taking a little bit more of that blue, just the tiniest little bit, just to get that edge a little bit smoother. I can't believe I left it so long to try Nomad shadows, but I guess I was just waiting for the right colour story to call to me. I'm going to quickly nip off and pop on some NYX Glitter Primer, and then I'll be back to continue the eye look with you. Okay, so glitter primer is on. The first shimmer I'm going to go in with is Hell, and I'm going to be placing her on the outer edge there. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that. That is one absolutely stunning shimmer. I will do some more work to blend the outer V there once we have got our shimmers on. I'm bringing that in a diagonal just purely because I prefer this on my eye shape. So the next one I want to go in with is Valkyries, which is this really beautiful purple shimmer. Absolutely gorgeous. And I'm going to be placing Valkyries next to Hell. That sounded really odd. Oh, look at that. Gently tapping over the red there just to create a little bit of a blend. Oh, look. That colour is absolutely amazing. The last one that I'm going to go in with on my lid is Elves, which is this really beautiful shade there. Oh, I'm hating ruining these imprints. And this, oh, look at that. Now I knew I was going to love this palette just by the colour story, but the way these eyeshadows are performing is they just don't take any effort at all. They blend beautifully. The shades are absolutely stunning. I think what I'm going to do with the outer V is take some of Dark Castles just to deepen it up next to that red there. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's done exactly what I wanted. Wow, I am absolutely loving that. So, for the lower lash line, I am first going to dip into a tiny bit of Dark Castles just to pair that up to the top there. I'm literally just taking that right against my lash line and just dragging it just over halfway along. And then I'm going to be going in with blue, the Niflheim. And I'm going to be using that most of the way across, or all of the way across, just to blend out that black. I'm loving this. And then ever so gently, just the tiniest bit of that orange, the Heckler. I'm just going to dust that just over the very edge. Just really tiny amount. So I just want the hint of it. Just like the burnt edges. That is looking absolutely gorgeous. And for the inner corner and brow bone highlight, I'm going to go in with River Glacier, which is this beautiful shimmer here. I think that is going to look beautiful. Yes, look at that. And I'm just going to drag that along a little bit and up a little bit. It's like a really kind of silvery blue. Absolutely gorgeous. And then just a tiny bit of that up under the brow bone. Under the brow bone, on the brow bone, for a brow bone highlight. Oh my word, I am living for this. So I'm just going to quickly nip off, finish my face, and then I'll come back to show you the finished look, and we will have a chat about my first impressions of the Nomad Iceland Fire Ice palette. So don't go anywhere. So I'm back with the finished look. What do you think? Oh my god, I love it. I am so impressed. But first let me just let you know what else I popped on my face. So the lashes are from Tu-Tu Cosmetics. They are in the style Queen. The mascara is the Barry M, That's How I Roll. In my waterline I have the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in Tu-Tu-Turquoise. The black liquid liner is just this one from e.l.f. The blusher I have on is from Poutnshout and it is Contrary Mary. I love that. And the highlighter is from Kaleidos. It is their Space Age highlighter in Skywalker. And on my lips I have the Melt Bullet lipstick in the shade Space Cake. So, on to the beautiful Iceland Fire and Ice palette from Nomad. I love the texture on the outside of the packaging. There's just so much thought gone into it, and you've even got this little elf here, and the inside, obviously the outside is the ice and the inside is the fire. These shades are just absolutely amazing. This colour story is possibly the best thought out colour story I have seen. It is absolutely stunning. All of these shades go together, and at first glance you wouldn't think that to be true, but they're just fantastic. The performance of both the mattes and the shimmers has really blown me away, and just the detail in the prints is just amazing, absolutely amazing. Obviously I still have a few more colours left to try, and like I said, if you want to see what all of the shades look like on the eye, you'll find Nikki's video listed or linked in the description box below for you to check out. I cannot wait to play more with this beauty. Just wow, absolutely wow. So that brings us to a finish today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a like, thumbs up. It really helps me out. If you're not subscribed already, then I hope you will consider sticking around and hitting that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next time I upload. I mainly cover indie brands and colourful makeup, so if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, then please do subscribe. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you're all having a great day, a great evening, wherever you are and whatever you're doing. I hope you're taking care of yourselves. I will see you again very, very soon. Goodbye.